Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you irregular verbs. Uyu munsi tugiye kwigana inshinga. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on the videos. Kora subscribe, kora share, like and comment ku buryo tujye tubana mu masomo yacu ya buri munsi. Ugomba kumenya neza icyongereza mu minsi mike uhereye ubu ngubu. English to kinyarwanda. Irregular verbs. Reka tutangire nta gutinda. Irregular verbs. Example, sentence and sentence. Example and sentence. Verb to be. Tugiye kwigana verb to be in present or in past. In present ni ubu ngubu turi, in past nahahise. In present, I am a student. Iyo bavuze I am a student, ndi umunyeshuri. Student ni umunyeshuri. I am a student, ndi umunyeshuri. Iri nteruro, iyi sentence, interuro iri mu gihe cy'ubu ngubu, in present. He was tired yesterday. Iyi nteruro iri muri simple past. He was tired yesterday. Ejo hashize. He was tired yesterday. Ejo yari ananiwe. He was tired yesterday. Ejo yari ananiwe. Kwikomereze kabiri. Verb to have. Verb to have. In a simple present, I have a book. I have a book. Mfite igitabo. She had a time. In a simple past, she had a time. Yari afite igihe. Yari afite igihe. She had a time. In a simple past. In a simple present, have. In a simple past, ihinduka had. She had a time. Yari afite igihe. He have a book. Mfite igitabo. Gatatu. Verb to do. I do my homework. I do my homework. Nkora umukoro wanjye. In a simple present, I do my homework. Nkora umukoro wanjye. In a simple past, they did the work. Bakoze akazi. They did. Bo did. Do induka did. In past, they did the work. Bakoze akazi. Work ni akazi. Dukomeze kuri kane. Go. Verb to go, kugenda. I go to school every day. A simple present, I go to school every day. Njya ku ishuri buri munsi. I go to school every day. Njya ku ishuri buri munsi. In a simple past, go ihinduka went. He went home. He biri ku mugabo. He went home. Yagiye mu rugo. He went home. Yagiye mu rugo. Gatanu. Come. Verb to come. In a simple present or in simple past. come in simple past ihinduka came. Please come here. Ngwino hano. Please come here. In a simple past, she come later. Come. She come later. Yaje atinze. She. Ku mukobwa cyangwa ku gitsina gore. She come later. Yaje atinze. Twikomereze kuri gatandatu. Eat. Verb to eat. Kurya. Inshinga kurya. Verb to eat. I eat rice. Ndya umuceri. I eat rice. In simple past, we ate a food together. We eat a food together. Twariye hamwe. Tukomeze karindwi. Drink. Verb to drink. Kunywa. Chinga kunywa. I drink water. Nywa amazi. I drink water. I nje drink amazi. Kunywa drink. Water amazi. I drink water. Nywa amazi. He drank milk. He drank milk. Yanyoye amata. Dukomeze munani. Ku munani. See. Verb to see. Yo kubona. I see a teacher. Mbona mwarimu. I see a teacher. See ihinduka saw. Ni simple past. They saw a car. Babonye imodoka. They saw a car. They saw a car. Babonye imodoka. Icyenda. Say. Kuvuga. Say. Verb to say. Nshinga kuvuga. She say a trust. Avuga ukuri. She says a trust. Avuga ukuri. He said. Say muri simple past hinduka said. He said hello. Yaravuze ati muraho. He said hello. Yaravuze ati muraho. He said yaravuze ati. He said hello. Yaravuze ati muraho. Igarukire ku 10. To make. Gukora. To make. I make a chair. Nkora intebe. I make a chair. Nkora intebe. They mad. Make in command in a simple past. They made a decision. Bafashe icyemezo. They made a decision. Bafashe icyemezo. Those are irregular verbs. Izo ni irregular verbs ni 10. Tuzakomeza ubutaha. Thank you so much for the following today's listen. Appreciate. Kora subscribe on your YouTube channel. Nkomeza mbibutsa ko ugomba kusharinga, ugasharinga abandi, tukazatwigana amagambo y'ubwenge. Wamenya icyongereza neza. Komeza udukurikirane 5 kuri 5. Ndabakunda cyane.